Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Z Fold 7 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find Accounts and Backup. Here we've got this Google Drive section, so let's tap on Backup Data and tap on Next. We have to tap on Add Account, and of course if you've got your Google account currently added to this device, you will be able to simply choose it from the list. If not, you will have to add it. So just tap on Add Account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and confirm everything with your screen lock. So here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on Next. So here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. You can of course tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Here we can decide what kind of data we would like to back up, so we can back up photos and videos or other device data, or both, of course, it's totally up to you. I will choose only this one, so just mark the photos and videos if you wish and tap on Confirm. And then tap on Manage Backup, and here we've got our backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example, remove some unnecessary files. Under it we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up, advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some charges. And to finish everything, simply tap on Backup Now. Of course, confirm everything with your screen lock if you've got one, and your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.